Random PIDs, take one. What's up guys, welcome back again to another video. Today I am going to be doing what I call the Rando PID Challenge. As you guys may know, a lot of people obsess over their tune and they obsess over their PIDs, and I've done a video, as you can see in the description below, that basically says your PIDs don't really matter. So today I'm going to put that to the test, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a random number generator to basically generate my tune. So we have P, I, and D for roll, pitch, and yaw. That's 9 random numbers, and after we calculate those 9 random numbers, I'm going to put them into my tune, and I'm going to fly it and see, first off, if it's even flyable, and second off, if I can get it to fly well. So I'm going to be running all stock settings except for the PIDs. Those are going to be randomly generated and then thrown in to see if I can get it to fly. So let's go ahead and let's generate 9 random numbers. Alright, so we've loaded in the first set of random PIDs. They actually seem pretty normal, so I don't feel like this is going to be difficult at all to really do anything. The only thing I am a little worried about is I think the roll P seems a little bit low, and the P gain is really kind of the only one that matters a lot. We'll see if that makes it feel weird or not, but let's give this guy a shot. Alright. Arms. Covers. This actually feels really good. Oh my god, the roll. So in all honesty, this actually flies pretty good, especially if you're flying smooth. Now if you do watch if I do a roll, ooh, it freaks out at the end. Oh my god, it does not like rolls. See, pitch is fine. The yaw's actually totally fine. It's really just the roll. I mean, you could definitely fly around it if your life depended on it, but it's not the best. Oh my god. When you do a half roll, it's like you're back in the clean flight 1.9 days. As long as nothing you do is a hard maneuver, I actually pass this as a totally flyable quad. Let's see. You know, it's funny, the pitch is actually totally fine, but when you do a hard flip, it rolls on off axis. Let's see if yaw's any good. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you look at 360 yaw, at the end of it, it like freaks out. But it seems like it's just freaking out on the roll though, so it's really not that bad. Oh yeah. Let's see, if you do a slow, easy roll, oh yeah, you would never know the roll P is like a third of what it should be. Alright, let's go ahead and bring this guy in. Alright, so that was with the first Rando tune, but that really wasn't that bad. The only weird number in there was the roll P, which was really low, and it did exactly as you thought. You know, it was just kind of really slowly oscillating. You couldn't do hard moves, but if you did really slow, smooth stuff, it was totally fine. So that was expected. It's not that crazy. Let's go ahead. Let's roll the random number generator one more time, and let's see if we get a whole new tune if we get anything weird. This is not going to be good. I was really worried with this random number generator, since it goes from 0 to 100, that one of my P gains was going to be a 0, because that means it's just not going to fly. If you have 0 P gain, you just have I and D, and they cannot control the quad. It's just going to flip out to the moon. So rather than getting a 0, I got what's just one worse than that, which is 1. I am the one, on my pitch, I have literally 1. I have no idea if this is even going to fly or if it's going to be recoverable in any way, but let's give it a shot. Let's see how this goes. Alright, it arms at least. Let's go. Oh no. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. It's a constant frequency. It's not like, it's not getting faster or slower. Oh god.
That's so dumb.
Oh god. No, no, no. Well, that's funny. That's weird. It's like it doesn't do what it does when it destabilizes, where you oscillate a little bit and then it grows until it just freaks the fuck out. But instead it actually reached like a steady state oscillation where it would just oscillate the same amount, the same frequency, like it was just a wave riding through the air. You could actually control it if you just like looked past the vibrating on the pitch axis. I was not expecting that at all. I thought it was going to go into an uncontrollable, you know, destabilized oscillation, but instead it actually was able to kind of like reach a steady state controlled oscillation where you could actually control it if you needed to. I kind of want to try it again. I'm going to try it again. All right. Okay, it still arms. There it goes. All right, I'm going to do a lap around this tree stump and bring it back. Oh god. Oh, this is nauseating. All right. Oh, oh. Bring it back. Bring it back. Right on the grass. And it's upside down. This gets like a 0.2 out of 5 stars. Technically, you can control it. I was able to go around the tree stump and bring it back and get it close-ish to me, but yeah, that's not fun. Actually terrifying. That uses probably the most brain power I've ever had flying to just try and make sure it's not crashing. That's not flying. That's just what I call active preventative crashing. Really though, as long as your P gain is like within the slight realm of being not terrible, even with the roll P being like a quarter of what it usually was, you could totally fly around it as long as you flew smoothly. There is a lot of leeway in your PIDs, but that's not fun. That's not. I am definitely going back to my normal tune, which is just the stock PIDs. But regardless, that was terrifying. The first Rando tune wasn't that bad. I mean, the roll was a little bit wonky, but it could fly around it. But the second one, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap back to my normal tune, and we can take a look and see what that is gonna look like at this spot. Alright, that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. It is getting dark here. I'm running low on batteries. I'm running low on energy. Just throw it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and challenge you guys to put random PIDs in and see if it flies, see if you can make anything good from it. But until then, I'll catch you guys next time.